Kaya ano naman na siya reporting. Podcast journalism students here at Sydney Normal University. So today guys, I'm kami sa among professor which is Sir Akram Ramas because he's not here already and we're waiting here. We're here at Sydney Normal University.
One of Harabid's famous lines. And I love
Your 2 minutes starts today. Stop. It's done. Stop.
Always hear the word truth will set us free. But during my course as a journalist in GMA Network, yes, truth will set us free.
Hi everyone.
So today guys, time check it's It's 12 in the noon and we are going to eat our lunch.
Where are we going to eat
we're
our
not...
lunch?
Hi Ate! Thank you! So that is Ate Noella, our blockmates in one of our subjects, and so so now we are currently walking to the back gate of our university. So let's go! Yeah, it's true. We have 10 subscribers, guys. So subscribe now so that our subscribers will grow and we'll get money from it. Oh, right? Yeah. Right, Cherry? Right. Guys, we are buying chulos thanks to Cherry for her salary.
Grabe ba si Ali? Why are you like that?
Hindi lang ko magsulod.
Di ka?
Parang natiluan na gulang.
Tolo lang ka bo.
It's what we call wet. Wet. Alright guys, hello Kadila. Welcome again to our vlog, our short vlog. So today we are here on CNU. Together with me is my brother. I know, not my brother, but my friend, a close friend of mine. He is Raleigh Cabrera is one of the top students here in broadcast journalism. So Raleigh Cabrera is a daughter or a son.
Kumbagod ka, kumaga lang ni.
He's a son of
Kana sa doon ay.
Bishop. And also, you have uncle, right? His uncle is. Thank you for visiting our vlog. Like to every vendor. I know. Set now. If you want.
Aray.
Yeah. And for Cherry, it's, I don't know what that's called.
Minudo.
How about you, Lud?
Oh
my God, he's on diet because, you know, I think
He likes someone.
he will join a pageant
Oh,
or I don't
really?
know.
No, I'm
Let's go on college.
Amot.
Cute bunny.
Nanay afam si Maris Lods. La, we met our friend. Hi guys. Hi. Hi, say hi to our vlog.
We bumped into our friend. Anna.
Yeah.
She lives in a serene island of Orlando. She is really beautiful. Together with her is
Cars. The one and only Cars. Now we're going to
our practice place in the ILS, or also known as
Idea Learning.
Integrated Science Learning.
Yes.
Am I right or am
Yes.
I wrong? Are here. Let's ask them what they found. So everyone, hi.
Hello ma'am, sir. This is candidate number 16.
Wow.
Number na mo.
Yeah.
And among baligay is bags. So our
Hello guys, we're currently practicing our PE dance. Here is Ulysses. Say hi to our vlog. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Yes, that's Yuli right there. Wow. Nakay-sakit doon. And Reggie, go. Pasikatan mo. Hey. Hi. So, karon mag-present tayo ng mga dance. So,
3, 4, 5, 1.
cha-cha-cha.
2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1.
Cha-cha-cha-cha.
2, 3, 5, 4, 1.
Cha-cha-cha-cha. Dini ko. Isa di iPhone. Go Lods China! Go Lods Divine! Lang ako mga Lods! Ay!
There is a very good timing when
Ako na ang cellphone Lods.
so at the same time, every
Ay, properties of the properties.
Halin po.
Sa likod! Ang
What time is it?
It's already 9:19.
9:19.
Music pa ng maaga. Hi everyone! So, maglinya din meron sa audition sa Pinoy
Yeah.
Brother Gen 12.
Yeah!
Taas ka ayo. Kabangit sa ito.
Here we go!
O nang taas ni Kuya doon kay Paulio.
Pakuli mo, Zoy!
Pag-insult ni Rabi Migawas.
So karon guys, mo audition mi sa
Grabe
PBB
ba?
and very taas kayo ang linya. I hope God will guide us in this journey and